Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to play with the Gimme Glow Vintage Rose palette. Now I got this one when it restocked not too long ago, and I'm not sure if it's in stock or not, but mainly what I want to do is just kind of play with it and mainly see what their formula is like. I've never used Gimme Glow before, but just see how their formula is like and their shadows and see if we like them. So I'm also going to be playing with some products that I haven't played with in a while. So I'm kind of pulling out some different products and we're going to see how they all go on my face. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I need to clip up my hair. Always looks so cute with my hair clipped up like this. I like it. Anyways. I'm going to take off my glasses. Instead of using my Milani eye primer, I am going to use the ColourPop Cream Shadow in Laurel. Let me open it up. And this was in the Wild Nothing collection. They have some cream shadows. And this is supposed to be kind of like the MAC paint pot in Painterly. So we're gonna, I've tried it once as an eyeshadow primer, and we're gonna try it again. Still getting blue on me from somewhere from yesterday. Alright, I'm going to take Rust Rose right here. And I'm going to start putting that in my crease with a BK Beauty 202 brush. That's the fluffy taper brush. Sorry if you can hear noises. My daughter's got her boyfriend over there being a little loud. Alright, looking kind of crazy right now, but we're getting there. I'm going to take Velvet Petals, and I'm taking a BK Beauty 207. It's just a pencil brush, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner. Alright, I'm taking Bouquet right here, and I'm going to put that in the middle of my eye. And I'm using the Alter Ego number 6 brush. It's a brush I like to use. It's just a flat shader brush, but it's a little bit fluffy. I like using it for shimmer shades. It does really good. Now I'm going to take Copper Rose right here with the same brush, just flip it over, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. taking a cotton round with some micellar water, cleaning up any fallout or lines or anything. Alright, I'm taking the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. And I'm going to dot that on my face. I'm taking the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in Vanilla. And I don't remember how this matches me. It's been a while since I used it. It's pretty thick. And I'm using my Sigma Multitasker F47 brush. Yeah, I thought I remembered it being a little bit yellow, but so my camera cut off. I don't know where we were, but I was putting on concealer, and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear in Eggshell. And I'm using my concealer brush to blend it out. Taking my number 7 powder to set under my eyes. Alright, I'm taking Believe Beauty in the Tropics Bronzing Powder in Hawaiian Glow. I'm going to use that to bronze up my face. And Believe Beauty is a brand that's sold at Dollar Store. Yeah, Dollar Store. Going under the chin and down the neck. I'm taking the Milani Baked Powder Blush in Luminoso. And I'm going to use that to put some color on my cheeks. And I'm taking Ofra and Talia Mar highlighter in Covent Garden. It's kind of a pinky tone. And I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Going over one eyebrow. Going over two eyebrow. Down the nose. Cupid's bow. And chin. Alright, I'm taking a Profusion flat precise eyeshadow brush, the ES7. It's just a smudger type brush. I'm taking that and I'm gonna take Rust Rose and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. Taking my BK Beauty 203 brush. It's a just flat shader brush that I usually use for packing on shimmer shades, but I'm going to use the fluffy part and just run it underneath my lash line to make sure that's blended out. And now I'm taking a small pointed eyeshadow brush at ES6 from Profusion. And I'm taking Copper Rose again. And I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Just connect it from top to bottom. I'm taking some Essence Lash Princess and I'm going to put that on my lashes. Alright, for lips, I'm going to take the Revlon Super Lustrous Shine Glossed Up Rose. And I'm going to put that on my lips. I'm taking the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And I'm going to spray my face real quick. Alright, well this is the final look using the Vintage Rose palette by Gimme Glow. I really enjoyed using this palette. The mattes blend out wonderfully, and the shimmers, I love, love, love the shimmers. Literally, it doesn't take much. I know the first one, I got a little too much on my brush. I was kind of worried, but it worked out fine. But the shimmers, you don't need much, and it just glides on like butter. So I'm super excited about the shimmers. Everything was easy to work with. Just a great all-around palette. Now I got another one from them, and it's called Juicy Olive. Let me know if you want me to do a look with this one. I was kind of thinking about it. It'd be a green look, obviously, but this is what it looks like. I got them both together. Now they, like I said, I'm not sure if these are in stock, but I know they have other palettes. I know they have a grunge palette, I think, that looked really nice. It's kind of got some, I think, grays and blacks and just kind of those grungy tones. And I was kind of interested in getting it, but I hadn't gotten it yet. I just got those two. I didn't see the grunge one until after I'd already checked out with these two. They have some other ones that look really nice that if you were interested in trying out Gimme Glow, that you can pick from. And they do restock. Like I got it when it restocked, so they'll have a restock, and I'll keep you updated on that if I see that they're restocking. I really love the look that I came up with. I think it looks beautiful. I love how the shimmers look on, how the mattes look on. Like, it just all around really love this look. But I hope that you're having a great day. I hope that you're well, healthy, and taking care of yourself. If you like the video, hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Ring the bell so you can be notified of my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. Again, take care of yourself, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.